Hey family, today I'll be bringing you Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon. Yes, pork chops in the slow cooker. Y'all know what to do. Sit right there. Don't you go anywhere. Okay, let me give you a quick overview of everything I'm working with here. First of all, I have pork chops. It's not quite 2 pounds. It's more like 1 2/3 pounds. Whatever meat you choose, that's up to you. In this case, I'm doing the pork chops. For your Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon marinade mix, of course, you're going to need a mixing bowl, a whisk. I have the 1/4 cup of oil that it calls for, 1/4 cup of water, and then I have 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After I've done the mix, I'm going to add chicken broth. You know, you just got to eyeball it. And I've got a scoop of butter that I'm going to add because butter makes it better, y'all. One more time for the people in back. Butter makes it better, y'all. Pot, whatever that might be. In this case, let me show you the brand of this crock pot. We've had it for years. Crockpot Versaware Pro. This thing does the trick, y'all. It does. And with this Versaware Pro, we're gonna cook it on high for 3.5 hours. That's what we're shooting for. Checking it around 3 because my pork chops are a little thin. Trust me.
You don't trust me. Front door is wide open.
Most of them might come to the back. Be any criminals involved. That's what I think anyway. Heat up these greens in the little crock. potatoes, minced onions, butter, parsley, salt, pepper. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at God, I tell you. 51 minutes left. So, y'all, these are so tender, but I'm gonna let them cook just a little bit more. The one that's been sticking up right here, I'm gonna put it down in there a little bit. Something I forgot to do, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rest of the marinade. Of course, it didn't marinate. I didn't marinate it, but it's marinating itself when it's in the crock pot, if you ask me. That's just my point. That's the way I feel anyway. So I'm gonna let that cook the last, 48 minutes. On slow, since they're already pretty much tender. So that's that, y'all. So don't forget, Grill Mates, y'all. This is the brown sugar bourbon. Well, family, I am officially hooked on Grill Mates. I hope to do many more in the future. And as always, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader, create your own sunshine. See you on the next upload.